You might have a full-time or a part-time or no job at all, and you're just looking for a way to make some extra money. A good way could be actually to search for part-time jobs, and of course we want them to be online because we want to do this from the comfort of our home, right? So that's why in today's video I want to share with you 5 part-time online jobs you can get started with right away. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and as I said in today's video I want to share with you 5 part-time online jobs you can get started with right now. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload on a consistent basis videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so we all have our reasons. We want to make some extra money, we might build a long-term passive income online, a sustainable online business. By the way, if you're interested in that, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below, so you can check that out at the end of this video, of course. Or there can actually be any other reason we want actually to be working from home. I mean, we have kids maybe, so we don't want to spend like 4 hours by traveling every single day to have a full-time job. Or as I said, any other reason. And that's why I want to help you out actually to show you 5 part-time online jobs that you can get started with right away. So with that being said, let's get started with part-time job number 1. Alright, so the first thing that we can apply for is to become a call center agent. This is a great opportunity. We can do this actually from home these days. We don't have to go anywhere to travel to the other side of the town to just become a call center agent. So just to give you a quick idea, this is liveops.com, a site that you can go to and apply for, okay? By having a quick look here at the main site, we can quickly realize that it is about call center, and we want to go to the section where it says become an agent. So if I just go here, you can see here, join a national team of agents delivering customer service, support and sales, all from the comfort of your home office. Now, you need to check the requirements, and of course if we just open it up here, you can see here they do explain everything in detail. So make sure you have a closer look at the details here to be sure that you can apply for this job. The next thing that you need to do is you need to submit the application for one of the available opportunities there. So there might be times that there isn't any opportunities available actually, you never know. Anyway, just to proceed here, I'm going to actually show you a few other sites also, so do not worry here. Basically, you can see here how much you can earn, and it totally depends actually on the one that is going to hire you, the company that is going to hire you. But you can see here the benefits, of course, is that you can work from home or any other quiet place. You set your own schedule to work around your life there, and of course you enjoy the freedom and flexibility. Have a look at it at liveops.com. Let's have a look at another site, and that is Arise Work From Home. This is definitely one of the most popular call center sites also, and you can see here work from home. As I said in the beginning earlier here also, do you have young children? So it could be that you have kids, you want to work from home for some reason, so this is a great opportunity to do this, of course. More balanced life and endless possibilities. You can see here increased freedom, the greatest benefits. So have a look at it without actually me reading all the details for you here. There's no need for it. You can see there is a FAQ section, blog. So as I said, this is definitely one of the most popular sites regarding call center. Now, the next thing we can do is actually become any kind of virtual assistant. And a site that is very popular is virtualassistantjobs.com. Basically what you do is you go to the job section and you can actually apply for a call center if you want to also here, okay? So you just have to actually select that it is part-time here, so you can have a look at it. But you can do any kind of virtual assistant job, so use your imagination. If I don't type any keyword at all, but I just say that I want to do this part-time, you can see here we can get started with an executive assistant with $18 per hour. Data entry jobs, $17. These are all flexible. Here is something, contracts. Let's scroll down a little bit here. Marketing assistants, $18 per hour. Remote administrative assistant with $17. So you can quickly see here that there is tons of opportunities here that you can actually apply for and get started right away. All right, virtualassistantjobs.com. Have a closer look at this as well, or just go to Google and type for virtual assistant jobs and you are probably going to get tons of results. You can go to a few sites there, but I like this site, as I said, a lot of opportunities here and a trustworthy site as well. How about being a writer? Well, being a writer, you can actually not only write articles, but you can write a lot of other things there. So basically, we can have a look at a site like iWriter.com. You go to the section where it says write content, and of course you need to fill in the application here to apply for it. But there is tons of ways that you can make here. I mean, you can rewrite, you can read proofwriting, correct things like that. So it's not only about actually writing articles, okay? You can see here Kindle ebooks is another example. There is also Text Broker, very popular sites. You just go to the I Write content and have a look at it. Why write for Text Broker? Definitely, of course, there is a lot of benefits for it, okay? If you go to the payment section, you can quickly see here, you are going to get started as a 2-star rated writer probably, so it is a lower, you can see here 0.7 cents per word. But let's say that you become a 3-star writer and you write 1,000 words article, you can make $10 for it. And it's not really hard to do these kind of jobs if you are a bit creative actually. So there you have it about being a writer. Let's move on to another opportunity, and that is to become a social media manager. A quick example would be to go to modsquad.com, okay? And you can see here, if you scroll down here, it is about moderating forums, about taking care of some social media management in overall, actually. Could be a Facebook page or whatever, I don't know. But definitely a site that is worth to go ahead and have a closer look at. And the next opportunity I'm actually going to reveal to you is that you can do tons of other opportunities, not only just the one that I'm going to share with you, but you can apply for all the previous things that we had a look at. So what is it? Well, really simple. It is to become a freelancer. Freelance services, we can do any kind of freelance services. It depends on the knowledge here a bit. I mean, if you are a talented graphic designer, you should definitely apply, of course, to be a graphic designer as a freelancer, okay? But you can do social media management. You can just, let me just show you here real quick. Social media manager, okay? There you have it. Boom. Do you see that these people, they can offer these services here as well, all right? And it is totally depends here. It starts here at $142. This is approximately $150. And you can see here, I will be your social media manager and content designer. So if I just open it up here, you can see that there are different price tags here. I will manage any one social media platform for 30 days for $150 with 1 post per day. Increase followers, but this is a gold, and of course the premium version, you see it increases. So don't limit yourself that it is not, you can't make any good money with it, because you can, okay? Fiverr was definitely a great site and still is to get started with any kind of freelance jobs actually. And we do have Upwork.com, we have People Per Hour, and we have also freelancer.com. Okay, so I mean, use your imagination here. You can find tons of other things that you can do. All right, just to give you a quick idea here, you can go for data entry, you can apply for let's say here video editing. Okay, video editing, there you go. You see here tons of opportunities and at different price categories here. So really there are no limits, and all these opportunities that I shared with you here in today's video, they are definitely a great way to do it from home without actually any previous experience, I would say, to apply for. I mean, to get started with a call center job, writing, for example, or being a social media manager, it doesn't require that you have to go to university or something like that. So definitely a good way. And what I would do, I was actually do an overall search here on this freelance site, because you can apply for something that you can be more specialized in. I mean, you might be good at programming, for example, you can do web programming, I don't know, web business, lifestyle. You see here there are so many opportunities actually. And it is a great way, as I said, to actually do a part-time job, okay? Now, do a part-time job is great, but it's definitely not something that you are going to make a full-time income online with. Unless you are very talented in writing or a video editor or something like that, you can of course do that. But if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online and build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.